Hi, my name is Adam. I'm the Systems Administrator at BatchBlue Software. Today I'd like to talk to you about importing your contacts and custom data into Batchbook. I use Gmail, and I have some contacts in here that I'd like to export into my Batchbook account. We could use a sync, but that's for a different screencast. For now, I'm going to click the Export button. I'll select the group that I'd like to export, and I'll choose the most generic format, which is the Outlook CSV, and hit Export. That's going to download a contacts.csv file that we can open up and take a look at. I personally use Numbers, but you can use any spreadsheet app. You can see here that the full name and email address was exported. I'll close this now and go back to my Batchbook account. Go to the Contacts tab and go to the Import Contacts section. I'll choose CSV, pick the file, and I'm going to give it the tag of coworkers. We have some options here to remove or merge duplicates, but I don't need to worry about that right now since these are brand new to this account. And now I have all these new contacts that just came in. Let's click on one of them. You can see that all the contact information came in, and they were also tagged as a coworker. Let's click on that tag. You can see everyone that I just imported right here in this list. Now, one of the best parts about Batchbook is the ability to manage custom data. As you can see, I already have a couple of super tags set up here. Sales 2010 contains a bunch of currency fields. I can import data into that super tag from any external source. Head on over to your Contacts tab and download the Batchbook import template. This is a pre-formatted file that will allow you to import any custom data for any super tags that you already have set up. As you can see, it contains the first name, last name, job title, so on and so on, all the way over to the more interesting stuff, which is the super tags. As you can see, this field is for the social media super tag and the personal blog. I can expand that out. And this goes all the way down to the end, where I have my custom super tag for 2010 sales. I already have a legacy spreadsheet called Customer Sales 2010. And it contains a bunch of sales data for some old customers of mine that I would like to import into Batchbook. So I'm going to grab data from this file and copy it into my import template by matching up the headers. You can see here that I have first and last name. Let's grab those, copy those, and paste those over into the first and last name field on the import template. I also have email address, and I'm going to put that into the business email field. Now here's the super tag data. We'll start with the Q1 sales, and it goes all the way to Q2, Q3, and Q4. So I'll go back to my old spreadsheet, grab that information, copy it, and paste it into my import template. Instead of saving this file, I'm going to choose to export it to a CSV format. And give it a file name and save it right onto my desktop. Great, so now I'll go back to Batchbook, choose to import a CSV, grab that file that I just created, I'll tag it with customers Don't have to worry about duplicates right now. And hit go. Great, looks like all the contacts imported successfully. Let's click on one of them. And right here you can see that the super tag data imported no problem. Here's my Q1 through Q4 sales for that contact. And if I click on the customer's tag, I can see every contact that I just imported. And that's all there is for importing contacts and custom data in a Batchbook. I hope you enjoyed.